Assalamualaikum class 5th. Today we'll start our new chapter, the Toad's Words. Take out your books and open page number 33. Firstly, I'll read a paragraph and you listen to me carefully. Then we'll memorize the difficult words of it. Now I start the chapter, the Toad's Words. A long time ago, a man named Kamkongsepa was standing on the bank of the great Irrawaddy river, minding his own business and sharpening his weapons. Underline both of the words, sharpening and weapons. A prawn irritated, underline the word irritated, by his stomping, underline the word stomping, around bit him in the leg. Kamkongsepa yelped, underline the word yelped, and leaped up in the air. He could not see the prawn, and in his pain he staggered, underline the word staggered, towards a tree and swung the knife around. The sharp weapon struck the trunk, underline the word trunk, of a tree and cut it. The tree was startled, underline the word startled, and annoyed, underline the word annoyed. Plop, it immediately dropped a fruit to the man. sharpening, sharpening. sharpening, sharpening. sharpening, sharpening. sharpening, sharpening. sharpening, sharpening. sharpening, sharpening. weapons, weapons. weapons, weapons. weapons, weapons. 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 irrited, irritated. irrited, irritated. irrited, irritated. 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 stomping, stomping. 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 yelped, yelped. yelped, yelped. yelped, yelped. yelped, yelped. yelped, yelped. yelped, yelped. staggered, staggered. 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 trunk, trunk. 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 startled, startled. startled, startled. startled, startled. startled, startled. startled, startled. startled, startled. ANNOYED, annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. Now class, come to the next page. But Kamkonspa was still leaping around from one foot to the other. The fruit missed him and hit a cock walking by. The confused cock was not pleased at all. It looked at the tree and noted its size. It was afraid to attack this great tree. So instead, it scratched, underline the word scratched, at a nest of ants who were busy with their work. The ants had plenty of work already. The last thing they wanted to do was to rebuild their nest. Right, they said, in fury, underline the word fury. It's war, and they attacked a passing snake and bit it all over. The snake wriggled, underline the word wriggled, even faster and shot straight into the forest nearby and bit a bear. What on earth did you do that for? Grunted the irate bear, underline the word grunted. Because you were there, said the snake, and it hurtled, underline the word hurtled, off to find some medicinal plants to ease the pain. SCRATCHED, scratched. SCRATCHED, scratched. SCRATCHED, scratched. SCRATCHED, scratched. SCRATCHED, scratched. SCRATCHED, scratched. FURY, fury. FURY, fury. FURY, fury. FURY, fury. FURY, fury. FURY, fury. WRIGGLED, wriggled. WRIGGLED, wriggled. WRIGGLED, wriggled. WRIGGLED, wriggled. WRIGGLED, wriggled. WRIGGLED, wriggled. GRUNTED, grunted. GRUNTED, grunted. GRUNTED, grunted. GRUNTED, grunted. GRUNTED, grunted. GRUNTED, grunted. HURTLED, hurtled. HURTLED, hurtled. HURTLED, hurtled. HURTLED, hurtled. HURTLED, hurtled. HURTLED, hurtled. Now class, come on to the next page, page number 35. The bear hurried off in the other direction and took out its fury on a young plantain tree. The bear lowered its head and dug furiously till the poor plant collapsed. A bat, living high up in the tree, just managed to get away before the tree hit the ground. It was not used to flying around in broad daylight, and it blundered. Underline the word blundered. About until it flew straight into an elephant's ear. Where am I? Thought the bat. It is dark and hairy in here. The bat bit the elephant and the elephant trumpeted. Underline the word trumpeted. With pain and reared up. Underline the word reared. Into the air on its hind legs. It came crashing down again and kicked over a large stone mortar. The mortar rolled down a slope and crashed right into the house of a little old lady. It made a huge hole in the side of the house. The old lady may have been very little and she may have been very old, but she was also very fierce. "You stupid mortar," she shouted. "Just look what you have done. Pay me, pay me. You will have to pay me to rebuild my house." "Me," said the stern mortar. "Why should I pay you? It was the elephant who kicked me down the hill." blundered. 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 trumpeted. 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 reared. 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 fierce. 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 Now class, come to the next page. The old lady picked up a stout stick and ran up the hill to the elephant. "Pay me the money to rebuild my house," she shouted. "Me," spluttered the elephant. Underline the word spluttered. "You should ask that bat over there. He bit me." "Don't blame me," said the bat. "It was the tree." The old lady wandered off to the plantain tree. The poor tree was lying flat on the ground. "Blame the bear, not me," it groaned. Underline the word groaned. The little old lady chased after the bear. "Pay me the money to rebuild my house," she shouted. The bear grunted. "Blame the snake who bit me." The little old lady found the snake and pinned it down with her stout stick. Pay me to rebuild my house, she shouted. Certainly not, hissed the snake. Some ants stung me, so ask them. The old lady found the trail of ants and asked them, but they told her to ask the destructive cock. Underline the word destructive. Pay me to rebuild my house, she shouted at the cock. Ask the old tree, madam, it dropped a large fruit on my head. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. SPLUTTERED, spluttered. GROANED, groaned. GROANED, groaned. GROANED, groaned. GROANED, groaned. GROANED, groaned. GROANED, groaned. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. DESTRUCTIVE, destructive. Class, come to the next page. Hang on, said the tree. Blame that man, not me. He slashed me with a knife. Slashed, underline the word slashed. The little old lady was furious by now. She ran up to the man and stopped in her tracks. It was her own dear son, Kamkongspa. You will have to rebuild my house, son, she said crossly. Sure, mother, replied the man, but first let me get that prawn who is the cause of all this trouble. Kamkongspa threw himself onto the ground and got hold of the prawn. The tree, the cock, the ants, the snake, the bear, the plantain tree, the bat, the elephant, the mortar, and the old lady looked at the prawn dangling. Underline the word dangling. Between Kamkongspa's thumb and forefinger. You deserve to die, they said in chorus. Do you wish to die in cold or hot water? In cold, said the prawn as he wriggled free and slipped down into the river. Get him, they all shouted and ran after the prawn. Then the elephant slipped his trunk into the water and slurped and slurped. Very soon the river was quite dry. They seized, underline the word seized, the prawn and gave it to a fat toad to make it into soup. They also relaxed beside what was the river and waited for the toad to make the soup. SLASHED, slashed. SLASHED, slashed. SLASHED, slashed. SLASHED, slashed. SLASHED, slashed. SLASHED, slashed. DANGLING, dangling. DANGLING, dangling. DANGLING, dangling. DANGLING, dangling. DANGLING, dangling. D-A-N-G-L-I-N-G, dangling. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D, seized. Now class, come to the last page, page number 38. When the soup was ready, they all gathered round to eat. But much to their astonishment, underline the word astonishment, the soup did not taste of prawn. The crafty toad had eaten the prawn. The others were so angry that they pinched him all over his back. And now you know why a toad has warts on his back. Like a good son, Kamkongpa rebuilt his mother's house, and because he was kind, he replanted the plantain tree. Everyone agreed that although the soup had been a disappointment, underline the word disappointment, it had been an interesting day, but not for the prawn. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H, astonish, M-E-N-T, meant, astonishment. 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 D-I-S, dis, A-P-P-O-I-N-T, appoint, disappoint, M-E-N-T, disappointment. 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 Class 5th, this is for a whole week. I hope you repeat it daily so that you will be perfect in reading. Assalamu alaikum.